Hello everyone, today we are making cutlets. At first you can add oil into the pan. Then you can add onion and green chili. Then add cardamom and cinnamon. After a few minutes you can add salt, chili powder and pepper, turmeric powder. Next you can add boiled and chopped fish, and you can add boiled and chopped potato. Once everything is added, now you can mix them all together. Finally, you can add some lime. You can start making small cutlets out of the filling just like this. And you can crack your 2 eggs and beat them together. Soak the cutlet inside the egg and you can coat it with breadcrumbs. And we are done with the first round, and you can once again soak your cutlet inside the egg and you can coat it with breadcrumbs. If you are not going to fry all of your cutlets, you can take a plastic container just like this and keep it in the deep freezer. You can add some oil into the pan and place your cutlets. You can keep frying them until it gets this brown color, and slowly take them out once they are all fried.